Yo, I have a crazy theory for you. I have a question for you first.
All right.
So, would you consider the Earth an organism?
Yes.
Yes. Right? Now, in a sense, the world is living.
Yeah.
Right? In a sense, the world kind of has veins. It has almost even
Like a heartbeat too, if you think about it.
yeah. Heartbeat, even has like a nervous system.
Yeah.
If you think about the roots and the plants and all of the things it's attached to in the earth, it's all connected, right? It's all connected. Now, there's this theory saying the earth is a being. It's an organism. And the humans are kind of the virus. So the earth, so when we get sick, when a human gets sick, right?
Yeah.
We create antibodies to
The virus.
get rid of the virus, right?
Yeah.
So in the same sense, the earth will create natural disasters, famine, drought, wildfire to kill off the virus.
Nah, that's crazy.
Yo,
That's crazy to think about.
Because think about it, bro. We hurt the earth, right?
Yeah.
We're doing worse for the earth than the better. And look at all the